So this project is a full-scale natural gas pipeline to serve new electric generation capacity at a power plant. So basically what we're looking to do is all aspects related to the pipeline's routing assessment, design, construction management, and back-end documentation to create a seamless process to put this pipeline in the ground. So the way we construct a pipeline kind of follows multiple stages. In most cases, one of the first things we're going to have to do is come out and clear the area where the pipeline needs to go. So we've established a workspace corridor. We're going to clear that, make sure we have a usable workspace, grade it out to where it's workable for what we need to do. At that point, we're going to bring the pipe out to the site, string it up in the area where we're expecting the pipeline to be installed. Then we'll start welding the pipe together. So we have the individual pipe joints, we'll weld those together, coat those welds, and then ultimately dig a trench to lower our pipe into and fill that trench back up. So it's a very systematic process. It moves quickly during construction, so that's really one of the places we put a lot of emphasis, is making sure that we have the right staffing and coverage and expertise to keep up with the fast-moving project and make sure that we can ensure all those different stages of construction are done safely in accordance with the design. So I'd say the most challenging part of this project was just, finding a route in a couple of really critical locations, and looking at a few of the difficult crossings we had, how we were going to get through those areas, if we could do a traditional open trench through them, or if we needed to look at a more complex horizontal directional drill methodology. So our team really got to sink their teeth into that, evaluate all the different options. Honestly, the most rewarding part of these projects is just seeing them jump from paper into the field, get out here and seeing them get built, and all those hours put into putting the lines on paper, turning into a great project at the end of the day that we can hang our hat on, look back on, and say, let's do another one just like that. How can we do it as safely as possible? We know that we're going to be in proximity to an electrical corridor. How can we get workspace to try to keep the construction folks out of that electric corridor everywhere we possibly can to minimize the risk, right? We want to take that safety risk away as much as we possibly can. Where we can't do that, that comes into the form of proactive safety conditions during construction. And finally, just empowering everyone on site to understand that they have stop work authority. If they see something that doesn't look right, doesn't look safe, everybody has that opportunity to raise their hand and say, let's stop for a second, back up and think about this.